What are your thoughts on the future of the FTT token? It's a question that has sparked interesting debates among crypto enthusiasts. As we delve into the recent performance of the FTT token, we notice some intriguing patterns. Despite the overall bearish trend sweeping across the industry, the FTT token has managed an impressive gain of 7.54% in the past 24 hours. It's like that one runner who speeds up while everyone else is slowing down. But let's not forget to mention the FTX token's performance. This token had a strong recovery in the last quarter of 2023, shrugging off the dust and getting back on its feet. Since the start of this year, it's been maintaining a neutral trend, kind of like that friend who never takes sides in an argument. Now, I know what you're thinking, a gain of over 7% in a single day? That sounds promising, right? Well, let's not pop the champagne just yet. While these gains do shine a positive light on the FTT token, it's important to remember that the token has experienced a significant loss since the beginning of the year. To be precise, it's a staggering 44.45% loss. So, we've got a token that's been showing bullish tendencies in the short term, but has been largely bearish since the start of the year. It's a bit like a roller coaster ride, isn't it? Despite these gains, the FTT token has experienced a 44.45% loss since the beginning of the year, painting a complex picture of its market performance. Let's delve deeper into the market analysis of the FTT token. The performance of this digital asset has been quite a roller coaster ride. It's shown a fascinating mix of bullish and bearish movements. Now, what does this mean? In layman's terms, bullish refers to a market that's on the rise, while bearish represents a market that's in decline. Despite the overall downward trend since the start of the year, the FTT token has recently seen a surge, with a notable 7.5% increase in its valuation. However, this uptick does not erase the fact that the token has suffered an overall loss of almost 45% since the year began. Now let's talk about the Relative Strength Index, or RSI. This is a momentum indicator used in technical analysis that measures the magnitude of recent price changes to evaluate overbought or oversold conditions in the price of a stock or other asset. In the case of the FTT token, the RSI indicates increased selling pressure in the market. This might sound intimidating, but essentially it means there is a higher volume of selling transactions happening, which can contribute to the bearish trend we've been observing. There's also the possibility of a bearish convergence on the horizon. This is when the price of an asset creates a new low and the RSI creates a higher low. It's often a signal that the current downtrend may continue for a while longer. In simpler terms, it's like the calm before the storm, but in this case, the storm is a further drop in the token's price. This analysis suggests a volatile market environment for the FTT token, with the potential for both gains and losses. It's a bit like riding a wave, exciting for some, nerve-wracking for others. Either way, it's a ride that's sure to keep us on the edge of our seats. So, whether you're a seasoned trader or a newbie in the crypto world, keep your eyes peeled and your minds open as we navigate these tumultuous waters. Now let's venture into the realm of predictions. What could be next for the FTT token? As with any cryptocurrency, the future of FTT is subject to the ebb and flow of market trends. This year, the token started on a bearish note, and this trend has remained neutral since. The token's performance has been a roller coaster ride, exhibiting a blend of bullish and bearish movements. Recently, the token saw a 7.5% increase in its value, which is a positive sign. However, it's important to note that despite this uptick, the token has experienced an overall 44.45% loss since the beginning of the year. The market indicators suggest increased selling pressure, which could lead to a bearish convergence. This means the token might be heading towards a period of decline unless the bulls regain momentum. If the bulls do step in and turn the tide, we could see the FTT token testing resistance levels of $2.2675 and $3.16. These are the price points at which selling is thought to be strong enough to prevent the price from rising further. However, if the market fails to recover, the FTT token could face a drop to support levels of $1.545 and $1.12. These are price levels at which buying is thought to be strong enough to prevent the price from falling further. Remember, these are potential outcomes based on current market trends and technical analysis. Cryptocurrency investments are always subject to market risks and volatility. Therefore, it's crucial to exercise caution and engage in careful analysis before making any investment decisions. These predictions present a range of possibilities for the FTT token, emphasizing the need for careful analysis and risk management in the crypto market. As we wrap up our discussion, let's reflect on expert observations and some final thoughts on the FTT token. Elena, an ace in technical analysis and risk management in the cryptocurrency market, has provided us with some intriguing insights. Despite a bearish trend in the industry, FTT token has shown a positive price action, gaining 7.54% in the past 24 hours. However, the long-term perspective continues to be influenced by a bearish trend. The FTT token experienced a major recovery in the fourth quarter of 2023, but kicked off this year on a bearish note, maintaining a neutral trend since then. The token has demonstrated a mix of bullish and bearish movements with a recent 7.5% increase in valuation, but an overall 44.45% loss since the start of the year. Elena's analysis points to increased selling pressure in the market, as indicated by the Relative Strength Index, or RSI. This suggests the possibility of a bearish convergence. If the bulls regain momentum, the FTT price could test resistance levels of 2.2675 and 3.160. However, a failure to do so could lead to a drop to support levels of 1.545 and 1.120. As we ponder over these expert observations, it's clear that understanding the FTT token's market requires a keen eye on trends and a deep understanding of market indicators like the RSI. Based on the analysis and predictions discussed, the future of the FTT token seems to be a blend of opportunities and challenges. It could see a resurgence if the bulls take over, or it could face a downturn if the bearish trend continues. The future of the FTT token remains a compelling topic with its potential for both risks and rewards. As always, the key to navigating this market is informed decision-making and strategic risk management.